Did Jonathan Sompolinski rug pull Caspa? Did Shy stop deving? What's going on? Why is there all this negativity on X related about Caspa? We have so many bullish catalysts coming up. Guys, this is truly the time to be the most excited. Everyone was excited when we were at 20 cents, but now sitting below 10 cents, everyone is bearish. A wise man once said, be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. And that's exactly what I'm doing. In this video, we're going to go over all the bullish things that have been going on with Caspa. But I'm talking about KRC-20. I'm talking about NFTs, 10 blocks per second, so much more, guys. Do not get fudded out of your bags. We're going to get into all of that and more. I love you all. This never financial advice. Guys, I know the markets have been going down, but a way to make money on both sides of the market is with futures trading. And Blofin is just a good overall exchange, something I really like. They're doing a special promotion for the Freeman and Finance family running through the 20th. As you can see right here, sign up and deposit over $50. They receive a $30 future bonus. This is only to the first 200 users. Leverage trading is extremely risky, but you could still capitalize on this by depositing over $50 into the futures bucket and enjoy 50% discount on spot, guys. But like I said, I know markets are going down, people get scared, but I did make money on this one here at the top. You could see those check marks or those arrows is where I got in, but just always do your own research, guys. But there is money to be made on both sides of this market. But I'm extremely bullish about everything going on with Caspa, and this is a great visualization that they put on. And this shows you the speed of Caspa. We always talk about 10 blocks per second, 100 blocks per second. Well, we're currently at 1 block per second, which is so many times faster than a Bitcoin. But I'm a visual learner. We have to look at this visually. So we can see right here. Look at Caspa at 1 block per second. It's slower than Solana. It's slower than Hyperliquid. But look at it at 10 blocks per second. That is what is about to come right now with Crescendo. Look at that. Look at how much faster it is. But that is just the beginning of what we have coming. Look at it at 100 blocks per second. It makes Hyperliquid and Sui, the chains that have done 20x's the last year, it makes them look like the slowest chain out there, guys. We are so incredibly early to Caspa. And the developments keep on coming. And one thing that I want to talk about is stable coins. You can see Yes Man, shout out to Yestronaut, said, will a stable coin come out this year? And Kaspa Kite said, yes, guys, this is so important. A lot of people tell me, Freeman, why is a stable coin so important? It's worth $1. You trade it, yada, yada, yada. That is moving real life money. Go to your bank and try to send money overseas. Try to send it. Go to Western Union. It will take 3 to 5 days for them to actually get their money. All Western Union is doing is giving that person their money that they already have in that location for a fee to you, but the actual money transition takes forever. With Caspa, it will be less than 1/1000th of a penny in less than 1 second, instantaneously. That'll be the type of liquidity coming to Caspa that we have never seen. Something else that have came out recently is KRC-721s, guys. This is NFTs on Caspa. These are cool. These are Caspunks, but this is just the beginning. NFTs will also bring non-fungible tokens, which are here now in the form of JPEGs, but it will be what? Tokenized assets, real world assets, real estate, all types of building will happen on Caspa. I truly believe that, but I really do like this collection. Right now, they're at a floor of about 3.5 thousand Caspa, which is really good, saying that the total mint was only 1,000 and that the cost to mint was 1,000. So they're up 350x from the mint price. That's absolutely crazy. But one collection that I'm extremely excited about that is coming out today, guys, today is no other than Croaks. They're giving away $75,000 worth of giveaways, and I'll have the video that I have detailing this whole giveaway at the end of the video, so you should go watch it. You can see here phase 1 is 2,300 total NFTs, guys. Look at this. There's $17,000 worth of giveaways. Phase 2, rug-free event, another 20, 30,000, and then you go to phase 3. There's a $25,000 golden croak. The best part is this is only 690 Caspa to mint. This is cheaper than the previous one that I mentioned. That was was 1,000 Caspa mint. So guys, it is totally what I believe, never financial advice, but I personally believe it is totally worth this at 690 Caspa mint. Plus the artwork is really cool. I'll put some examples that they told me about today, guys. Maybe I'm not supposed to do that, but that is some absolute alpha. But with all that bullish news, Caspa is so low, guys. Caspa hit 0.075 cents. Y'all know I have another video about me dropping $7,500, getting 100,000 more Caspa, guys. It was a purchase that I was extremely excited about. But are we going to go lower? That is the question. Are we going to go lower? And my response is, I hope. And why do I hope we're going to go lower? Because I have the long-term vision. I am not looking for a 2x, guys. If you're looking for a 2x, then go over here to Blowfin and trade. That is exactly what that is for. But when it comes to Caspa, guys, I'm looking to make life-changing money and something that I personally believe is a safe investment. I truly believe it is better than Bitcoin. I do not think it'll take over Bitcoin as a store of value, but I believe it is what Satoshi really wanted out of crypto, to be able to use for everyday payment, to be able to tokenize things on chain. I believe that is the vision. So when we take a look at this, let's look at some of the key levels, guys. And I want to break down the overall market here in a minute, but we could see that there was this 10-cent line right here that really did act as support for us for a long time. It did it right here back in December of 2024. It did it right here in May of 2024. It did it right here in November of 2024, and it tried and failed. That's the rule, guys. If you knock too many times, somebody is going to answer the door. And they answered the door and we went down. So what are the next levels that we could possibly go to? It looks like to me, guys, Caspa Maxis, do not yell at me or anything like that. I myself am pretty close to a Caspa Maxi, I have to say. But when you look at this, it looks like we could get a breakdown, but everything depends on what happens on with the overall crypto market. We are at a fairly low level, guys, on the Fear and Greed Index. You can see down here, we reached the 35, 32 level. Right here for 1 day, 2 days, we reached the 26 level, but we are at an unprecedented time with Fear and Greed. It's extremely low, and Bitcoin's just barely under $100,000. Guys, ask yourself, if 6 months ago you would have told yourself, hey, Bitcoin will be at almost $100,000 and the whole market will be scared, like everything's going, what would you have thought? So if we don't reclaim 10 cents and keep going up, what could we have? We could possibly have a little black swan event. We could possibly have something that allows the market makers to create some fun, and we come down here and touch this 5 cents. Now, I'll tell you one thing, I am not setting my orders at 5 cents. The reason I'm not is because everyone and their mom will be, guys. So I'm going to be looking right there at the 6 cents. I do not think I can look at Caspa at 6 cents, anything under 7 cents, and not just fully unload on it. I'm not telling you to do this. I'm just saying that I personally don't think I can do that. But I want to share one tweet that I had the other day. And that is that I could definitely see something going on. I said, I feel something in the air, feels a black swan. There's just a gut feeling. But BTC is hanging on, and it feels like it needs to break. After this break, we would run to the largest altcoin season ever. My prediction, position yourself to buy your highest conviction plays. And out of everything in the market, out of every crypto that I talk about, Caspa is my highest conviction play, longest term, guys. But like I said, if you're in this for a 1 or 2x, guys, that is definitely what trading over at something like Blowfin's about. But if you're looking for something that is your highest conviction play, then guys, it is okay when the market is scared. It is okay when this is going down, because I've got the long-term vision. The long-term vision is we've got stable coins coming on to Caspa, but we just got KRC-2021 with NFTs, non-fungible tokens are coming. We got another collection tomorrow, guys. And when we look at everything, we've got the fastest blockchain in the world, what it's going to be eventually. And when we take a look at it, it's proof of work. That's why the big companies are going to come to this, and that's why everyone in the world is going to want Caspa. But let me know. I'm curious the overall sentiment here on YouTube. Do you believe Caspa is going to go down to the 5 or 6 cent level, or do you think it's going to rebound, get above 10 cents, guys, and keep going up? Watch this video up above, and if you're not a part of the Freeman of Finance family, what are we doing? Subscribe. I love you all.